you gon' do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you would hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she knows.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. The unit is from Amazon Nikiss Hair, and this is their packaging, guys. So let's see what is included in this packaging. First, we have the hair, but we'll deal with that later. Then we have a nice necklace, a elastic band, guys, for you to attach at the back of the wig, and a wig cap. The unit has a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, and 3 combs in the front, 2 on either side and 1 in the middle. This is how the hairline is looking. It is pre-plucked. Also, the knots are bleached. I don't know if you can see it on the cam, but that is awesome, guys, for them to bleach the knots. And this is how the curls are looking. I'll go right ahead and put the unit on so you guys can see how it is looking. Gotta say it, I gotta say it, I was wrong. Yes, it's been forever, no, we ain't seen together. I'll give you a close-up of the hairline. As always, guys, you can go in and pluck the hairline to your own liking. For me, it is already perfecto, so I'll just leave it as it is. I'll turn around so you can see the back of the wig. First, I'll put the hair in a ponytail, then I'll remove the excess lace from the unit. I gotta say it. When working with the lace front, I like to cut it in 3 so it is easier for me to lay. I'll be using the Got2b gel and the beaded spray to lay the lace.
Skies is all I see as I hear your voice next to me. Flashbacks coming in scenes, highlighting perfect memories. I remember how our hands used to touch, conversation with no end, it's no force. How we used to vibe under the blue skies, but you turned my smiles into gray skies. You became a best to be, and you became my Mr. Gray Skies. You took the best of me and turned it into the worst of me. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on.
This is how the lace is looking, you all. And guys, can you see the lace? Really, can you see it?
They say love never dies, Mr. Gray Skies. I have to go home. I did this for me. Don't take it personally.
I'll add the Maybelline Fit Me powder to the lace.
Did this for me.
Now you know a girl gotta make some teenager hair, you all.
But when I turn around, your spirit hides from me. As tears run down my face, I hear your voice say you'll be okay. But it was all a dream. It was all a dream. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go home.
I'll use the hot comb to flatten the top of the hair.
Move on. Nothing is
I'm going in with the water to spray the hair.
never dies, Mr. Gray Skies. I have to go home. You took something from me. Forgotten my word. You had too much power over me. I can't let this go. So I gotta move on.
This is how both sides of the hair is looking, the side that is wet compared to the side that is not wet. By looking at both sides of the hair, you realize, guys, when you do go in and wet the hair, you do get the actual length of the hair, which is 16 inches.
Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go home. I did this for me. Don't take it personally.
Now I'll go in with the Marc Anthony Curl Cream.
I did this for me. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me.
I am going in with the Kira Hair Wax Stick to give the hair additional sheen and eliminate frizz. I am adding the concealer to the parting space.
There's no regret, we took things slow, and I learned all of your virtues, but the one that lifted me.
This is Nikiss 13x4 transparent lace front wig. It is 16 inches. The density is 150%. It came pre-plucked. The knots are bleached. It also came with baby hairs. If you're looking for a flawless unit, guys, this is the unit for you. I experienced minimal shedding, no tangling for the unit. This is beginner friendly and big head friendly, guys. You ain't gonna lose if you buy this unit. If you're interested in this unit, guys, the link is in the description down below. You can go and check Nikiss hair out. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.
To be